This research is being conducted by researchers from the University of BC and the BC Centre for Employment Excellence. We are developing a website that collects information about disabled people's experience with employment. This website is an online website that will allow people to share positive stories about self-advocates, experiences of inclusive, good, paid, and equal employment. Through sharing these stories on this website, people like employers, family members, support workers, and other self-advocates can learn about good, positive employment where people feel included and valued. We want to understand more about people's experiences, looking for work and finding employment. We want to learn what works well for people at the workplaces, as well as learn how to support disabled people in finding meaningful work. For this part of our research, we need 35 examples to start the database for this website. You have been asked to participate because you have information to share about a good work experience. Next year, 2015, people across BC will be able to add their stories of positive employment experiences. When people view this website, it will be very helpful for them to see some examples. This will be very valuable because they can see what kinds of things people share, and this will give them an idea of what kind of information they can share. We will be working with you to develop a way to suit your experiences of positive employment. This might be through a short video, 1 to 3 minutes, or an audio recording, 1 to 3 minutes in length. Pictures, for example, a picture of where you work, or a short typed description. It is your choice how you would like to share your experiences. A member of our research team will help you make decisions and will be able to help you make a video or an audio file, or take pictures, or write something short about your work experiences. Or you can have a friend or a family member you trust to help you too. The question that we would like to answer is, what do you like about your job? You will be given a $15 for participating in this research project. It is important to note that any digital information, pictures, and video that include images of other people, for example, co-workers or other members of the public, cannot be shared on this website without these other people's consent. We need to protect people's privacy. A member of the research team will make sure that group pictures are not included on the website unless they are given permission. The information that you share about your employment will be added to our website, and other people looking at the website might see it. We will work with you and the support people in your life to make sure that the information that is added to this website is safe for you. There is also a website developed by the CLBC that explains ways to be safe online. You can find that information here at this website, www.icanbesafeonline.com. If at any time you would like to have your information taken off this website, either you can do this for yourself or someone will assist you to take that information off the website. We do not think there is anything in this study that could harm you or be bad for you. But if something makes you feel uncomfortable or upsets you, please let one of the study staff know if you have any concerns. We will find someone, like a counselor or a support person, for you to talk to privately if you want. This research project is of importance to people with disabilities who are employed, who want to be employed. Being involved in this project will allow for you perspectives and knowledge to inform the development of online math. Overall, we hope the findings of this research will teach us more about creating inclusive, good, positive, paid work experiences for the disabled people in BC, and will teach us more about promoting positive experiences and overcoming potential barriers to employment. We will be analyzing these stories, learning from these stories so that we can share this information through written reports to CLBC, the Ministry of Social Development and Social Innovation, and the community. We will be giving public presentations to both university and community audiences, Inclusion BC Annual for example, and we will write about the findings of this research in journals. We will also post the report for the Center for Inclusion and Citizenship website, CSEartsUBC.ca, along with a plain language version in the summer of 2015. This project uses a public website. People can look at the website and see what is on it. That means that information you add to the map will not be private, or other people can see what you add to the website. The website is kept on UBC server computers, and a member of the research team oversees the maintenance of the website, how this website works. In order to add information to the website, you need to become a registered user. The help file on the website explains how to do this. Only the person that logs onto the website with this information can add, change, or delete your information. You will receive an email every year asking if you would like this information that you added to remain on the map, or if you would like to change or delete this information. If the map ceases to exist, you will be sent an email informing you of the change. Your participation is entirely voluntary. It is your choice, and you may refuse to be involved or stop your involvement at any time. You can choose not to participate, or if you do, you can change your mind and you can stop by being part of this project. If you decide you want to stop at any point, that's okay. No one will get into any trouble. If you choose not to participate, or if you choose to stop, this will not affect the services and support you receive. If you change your mind about having your information on this website, you can take it down or you can change it. We will find someone to help you with that if you want. If the project ceases to exist, you will be sent an email to inform you about this change. If you choose to take your information off this website before our research, your information will not be included in any of the reports. However, if the research has been completed, it will not be possible to remove your information from the reports and presentations. No identifying information will be shared when we share the findings in this written reports or presentations without your permission. If you have any questions or concerns about anything to do with the project, you can ask the researcher Rochelle Hall at 250-807-8741 or email RochelleHall@ubc.ca or the project coordinator Sarah Leahy 250-807-9460 or email sarahleahy@ubc.ca. Contact for concerns about the rights of research subjects. If you have any concerns or complaints about your rights as a participant and your experiences while participating in this study, contact the research participant complaint line in the UBC Office Research Services toll free at 1-877-822-8598 or the UBC Okanagan Research Services Office at 250-807-8832. It is possible to contact the research complaint line by email rsil@orsubc.ca. By clicking on the yes button, you are saying yes to taking part in this project. You can ask someone you trust to discuss this film with you if you have any questions.